From simple chatbots that answered basic questions, to AI agents that can plan, think, and even make decisions, artificial intelligence has come a long way. In this video, let's explore how AI is evolving, from talking bots to autonomous agents, and what it means for the future of technology and our everyday lives. Welcome to TechCurious, where we simplify the future. Not long ago, AI mostly meant chatbots, programs like Siri, Alexa, or the ones you find on websites. They could answer simple questions, follow basic commands, and help users quickly. But they had limits. They couldn't truly understand or reason like humans. These early bots were rule-based. If you asked something outside their programmed range, they failed. But they laid the foundation for the AI revolution that followed. Then came generative AI systems like ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini. These tools could generate text, code, and even images by understanding context and patterns in data. This was the turning point. AI could not only respond, but also create, learn, and adapt. It began to assist with real work, from writing emails to creating marketing content and even producing videos. Now we're entering the age of AI agents, intelligent systems that can take action on their own. Instead of just answering questions, these AI agents can schedule meetings, send emails, analyze data, and make decisions, all with minimal human input. Think of them as your digital coworkers working 24/7. For example, tools like OpenAI's GPTs, AutoGPT, and Microsoft's Copilot can plan a task, gather information, and complete it, without you needing to guide every step. In business, AI agents are managing customer service, automating reports, and improving productivity. In healthcare, they help doctors analyze scans. In education, they personalize learning for each student. These AI systems are moving from assistants to true collaborators, reshaping the way we live and work. Of course, there are challenges, from job automation to ethical risks and data privacy. The key will be balance, using AI to empower, not replace. As AI agents become more capable, our focus must shift toward guiding them responsibly, ensuring they reflect human values and goals. The next generation of AI isn't just about smarter machines, it's about collaboration between humans and technology. Together, we can create a world where AI agents make life easier, faster, and more connected. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to TechCurious, where we explore how AI is shaping tomorrow, today,